Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to give your dolls fake long nails using gel nail polish. This does not harm the resin and holds up pretty well as long as you are gentle. To begin, you'll need to make a mold of the finger, including the long tip in any shape you like. I used mold putty and made 3 molds, one for the pointer, middle, and ring fingers, one for the pinky, and last for the thumb. I used clay sculpting tools for the tips. Start by filling the tips with gel top coat. I recommend using an old small paintbrush. Only fill the tip and don't worry if the gel spills onto the nail part. Here, what I did was that I stacked some eye putty so that way then I would have a secure base for my mold to sit while it cured. Put the finger in the mold so the end of the nail is touching the gel tip. Cure and gently remove from the mold. Now you can fill the top of the nail on the doll, making sure to build a nice barrier for the tip to hang on to. Cure. You may need to repeat a few times. File to fill any misshapes or mishaps or sharp edges. Then you can paint the color of your choice. Cure one last thin layer of top coat, maybe more filing, and you're done! Wow, look at those lovelies. I ended up having to round out hers a bit because they got a little too sharp. I filmed this in November and they have held up since then, but they can just pop right off with light pressure, so if you need to remove them, it's really easy. I hope you found this helpful and have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!